Hi guys, I just quickly want to show you Notion, simply because I really like Notion. It's consolidated a lot of tools and it will help with a video that I'm going to create tomorrow. So I'm sort of doing this as a preemptive sort of um, overview. So I'll just quickly go through the things that this has replaced for us. Is we've consolidated our Google Docs into Notion. We've also put our project management in here. So we were using ClickUp. Before that, we were using Monday. Before that, we were using spreadsheets. And now I've decided to just use this. I've been using Notion for about 6 months now. The automation is fantastic. And I'm able to go in and actually create a project management system that I really just love. So, um, yeah, it just does what I want it to do because it's basically a canvas. I can create whatever I want using these databases. So in here, for example, I've got this mapping exercise, which we're in a new quarter, so this is all blank. Um, but basically, if you're not familiar with this Canvas business model, um, I'll do up a video. If you want me to do up a video about that, then let me know. But yeah, I can add in pages in here as well. So if I want to have like let's say for example, I do a lot of stuff with Tracy Sheen. So we could have a Tracy Sheen page in there, or I do stuff with local IQ as well. So I could have a page in there about local IQ, for example, and then we can go from there. I want a breadcrumb so that I can get back to here. So yeah, there's pages in there. I can just write stuff. I can add bullets. I can do all sorts of different things in here. I can add a to-do list. So maybe I want to form a partnership with a Google a social media marketing company, for example, right? You've got these call outs as well that I box these in so that I can add various different sort of icons and just make it look really nice. On top of that, I'm not going to go in there obviously, but we've got marketing, so I can actually put in a marketing calendar in here. So I've got a content database, for example. I've got a marketing plan. And then in here, I've also got a calendar, which pulls in from my content database into here. I've got a lead magnet bank. I've got marketing ideas, etc., all in here. Over here, we've got our customer relationship management. So all of this is our CRM basically, and I pull into here from make.com. I've got research and development, so anything that we're creating at the moment will go into here, and rather than getting lost in folders, it's all just in here with an ideas note-taking thing. So CRM ideas, for example, let's go in there. I've just got stuff written in there. So usually while I'm getting ready for bed, I'll just jump into either research and development or my personal note-taking thing, which I've got down here in Janky Empire. That's embarrassing. From here, I've also got human resources, which I haven't created yet, but I do intend to at some point. where I'll have like role descriptions and that sort of thing. And that way I can just pull those role descriptions into our welcome page as well. So if I just go to overview, I'm not going to because I've got client data in there. But if I go to overview where it's got everything, I can just pull stuff into there. I can just copy and paste it, or I can even just, if I want to, I can, let's go into here, for example. I'll just quickly show you this and then I'll go back to what I was thinking. Yeah, so these are all the various different tasks, and to create a new task, all I need to do is just to create a new thing in here. So if I decide that I need to include something else in here, I can just go in, I can create something that's already exists as a suggestion or as a type, but I can also create my own things as well. And then it's got the AI functionality as well if you go onto the paid, but you really don't need to. So just going back to here, if I just create a new thing in here, open that up, and you can create templates in here as well, so that whenever there's a new note, I can just select that that template, and it will automatically fill in an area as well. But I can also add in databases. So if I go this table, actually, a table view, and I want to include like one of these databases in here, I can just pull that in. So let's say that I want the research and development database in here. I can just pull that in. I don't need to recreate it. I don't need to copy it. I can pull that data from anywhere. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of that, because I think it's pretty cool and I use it on a daily basis, and I really like it. All right, thanks.